So in this video, we are going to explore this new and exciting app that's called Melody Muse. Now what it does is turns text into tunes, and I am rating it at 4.5 based on my experience, and you will in a minute see why I have rated it 4.5. So let's go to our screen and look for ourselves what does Melody Muse has to offer and how can we be using it. So that's a small video screen that I have, and I want to add some music over here. What I do is I go to apps, search for Melody Muse. Here it is. If you were to look at some of the app details, what it does is generate music from words. I'll move this to the right. It generates music from words, transform text prompts into captivating music compositions to use in your designs or videos. So you can use these melody in your reels, in your shorts, or in your videos. Let's figure it out, how to use it. So we go back, and here we have two tabs. One is generate and one is explore. So on explore, we have all the suggestions that we have from Melody Muse in different categories like ambient, hip hop, jazz, international, popular, and then we have recently generated musics that have been generated by people like us. These are the recently generated ones, and so on. Now we can either use one of these that we already have, listen to what people have generated. So jazz, creepy, popping sound, popping circuits. So you can be using any of these, or we can be generating our own. Now what music can we generate? Well, somebody like me who is not a musical person, I don't even know what kind of prompt to give to Melody Muse to generate a music for me. So I could have written maybe a jazz or instrumental or something like that. But when we are creating a video, we have to give it a more accurate prompt as to give it the context of what we are generating the music for. And for this, I use ChatGPT to create some contextual ideas. I'll open my ChatGPT over here, and you will see I gave a prompt to ChatGPT. I'm using Melody Muse to create some music from the text. Give me some ideas on different types of music or text inputs that I can give. And here I have some inspirational quotes. And the example is, the only way to do great work is to love what you do, by Steve Jobs. Let's use this. The uplifting and positive language can inspire powerful and energetic music. And I'll give this prompt to Melody Muse. And I have it here. I give the same prompt. I can increase or decrease the duration. The maximum is 10 seconds. I hit on generate. Let's see what Melody Muse does. It will take a while, and I'm not fast forwarding the video just to show you how much time it takes to generate your melody. And here we have a 10-second melody, but is it the way we want it to be? Okay, let's click on here and hit on play. That's the idea behind it, is that it's powerful and energetic. I don't know, but let's try something else. The example would be The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. So classical or modern poems often have rhythmic and emotional language, making them great for music creation. Let's try this one. Let's keep it for 5 seconds. Okay, so I have generated more music than I can generate in 24 hours. So that's one limitation that you have. What are the other musics that I generated some time back? I'll show that to you. In Explore, if I come to recently generated musics, you will find an excerpt from Meditations. I think this was one of the prompt that I had here. An excerpt from Meditations by Marcus. So this was one of the music that I generated. I added here, and let's see what it did. Bring it here, and I play it. Sounds calm, meditating. I can reduce the volume of this if I want to use it in a music, in a video or something. The next one that I had generated was the bustling streets of Tokyo with neon lights and hum of conversations in many languages. I gave the same prompt, echoes of time, whispers. No, it was not this one. The bustling streets of Tokyo, right? So here we have this one. Let's hear through this. This was it. The next one was echoes of time, whispers of the past, shadows of the future. So this is this one, echoes of time. So it's a good mix of the prompt, echoes of time, whispers of the past, and shadows of the future. It does an awesome job here, I'll tell you, because if you listen to this music, you will feel that you are getting connected to the past, and still you'll notice that you are still being connected to the past, some music from the past and then the present. It's a beautiful combination. And then you can use usual texts like ambient or jazz or tabla or whatever you want, and it generates them. So with the musics that we just generated, what if we want to use the same music in different videos? So to import a video, import an audio, we usually have to go to uploads, and we use the audio section, image, videos, and audios. And if you see, to my surprise, you have all the musics that you just generated right here. The 5-second music, though the name is not right, the name is not what we gave it, the prompt is not the name, but the name is something different. But yes, we will find all the musics that you generated right here to be, and you can use it in all the next set of shorts or videos that you make. Let's give it a try and create a short reel or a short video and use the music over there. Let's go to design. Okay, open canva.com, and I want to create a short reel. I search for Instagram reel videos. Say I want to use this one. Customize this template. Motivational travel Instagram. Okay, that's the reel, but it does not have any music. Now I want to add some music to it. I go to uploads, I go to audio, and I that's one. Here we have it. And if we want to keep using or repeating this same music again, I just copy it a couple of times and I bring it here, I bring it here, and I bring it here, and copy it again. Okay, until it takes the entire, and here we have it for the entire time of the reel. Okay, and now if I want to, let's say, select all of these and look at the volume of it. I might not want it to be 100, so I reduce the volume to 40. Got it? So here we have it imported into. So when we can again keep doing the same thing, I can come back to this, right, for Melody Muse, click on here and generate the music based on the type of content or motivational travel Instagram reels, or I can explore. So let's say I look for motivational, something motivational that has been created before. I search for it. So here we have some low background music. Okay, so let's delete all of these and a low background music here to it. It's good. And this one, let's listen to this. This sounds better. Okay, here we have it. I go here and I audio effects. I can fade in, fade out, or I can simply go here and duplicate the track, or I can sync it with my video. So I duplicate it and so I have it here. That's an amazing thing. I always used to get lost about looking for music or getting the right music for my content, and Melody Muse does exactly that. And that's what makes me give it this app a rating of 4.5. And give it a try, use it for yourself, and let me know how did you find it. I'd love to hear from you. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.